CompTIA A Plus Core 1 Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 3.2. Summarize basic cable types and their connectors, features, and purposes. Connector types. In the context of IT, wired interfaces require a cable to extend between two devices. These cables will terminate with a connector, and these connectors will plug into a port on the device. These connectors facilitate the transfer of data, signals, power, or other forms of information between different entities within a computer network or between computer peripherals. In the last few video segments of this course, we have discussed many different cable types and interface standards. Now it is time to discuss the connectors that sit at the end of those cables. And to get the ball rolling, we will begin with the RJ11 connector. RJ11, where the RJ stands for registered jack, is a common network cable connector used in telephone communications, dial-up internet, and DSL. The RJ11 connector can support up to 6 pins or positions into which wires can be inserted, but most use cases for the RJ11 connector only utilize 2 or 4 of those pins. Another registered jack connector is the RJ45 connector. RJ45 is a common network cable connector used to terminate Ethernet CAT cables, which are the most common network cables in use today. The RJ45 connector has 8 pins or positions into which wires can be inserted. When placed side by side with an RJ11 connector, the RJ45 connector will appear similar in design to the RJ11 connector, but will be noticeably larger. The F-type connector is a network cable connector that provides a termination point in coaxial cable systems. It embodies a threaded design that ensures steadfast connections. Designed specifically for coaxial cables, it facilitates seamless transmission of signals in various applications such as cable television, satellite broadcasting, and broadband internet. Its threaded construction not only guarantees a secure fit, but also minimizes signal loss and interference. ST or straight-tip connectors are an integral component in fiber optic networks, particularly in setups utilizing multi-mode fiber for shorter distance transmissions within local area networks. With their cylindrical design and push-pull connectivity, ST connectors offer a reliable solution for seamlessly connecting networking equipment in environments such as office buildings, data centers, and educational institutions. The cylindrical design ensures precise alignment between fiber optic cables and devices, while the push-pull mechanism facilitates swift installation and removal. The SC or subscriber connector is another fiber optic network connector, used particularly in systems employing single-mode fiber for long-distance transmissions. Characterized by its square shape and push-pull mechanism, SC connectors provide a robust and efficient solution for interconnecting networking equipment in diverse settings such as telecommunications, enterprise networks, and internet service provider infrastructures. The LC or Lucent connector is found in more modern fiber optic networks, particularly in setups utilizing single-mode fiber for high-speed and long-distance transmissions. With its compact and versatile design, the LC connector offers a reliable solution for interconnecting networking equipment in various environments, ranging from telecommunications and data centers to enterprise networks. Its small form factor and push-pull latch mechanism make it well-suited for high-density installations where space is limited. Punch-down blocks serve as fundamental components in telecommunications and network infrastructure, providing a reliable and efficient means of terminating and connecting copper cables. Commonly utilized in structured cabling systems, punch-down blocks offer a straightforward solution for organizing and distributing incoming and outgoing cables within a network environment. Their simple yet robust design features a series of insulation displacement contacts, arranged in rows, allowing cables to be securely terminated. This ease of termination makes punch-down blocks particularly suitable for quick installations and field configurations. With their ability to accommodate various cable types, including twisted pair cables commonly used in Ethernet networks, punch-down blocks facilitate the creation of organized and easily manageable cable runs. Additionally, punch-down blocks are known for their reliability and cost-effectiveness, making them a preferred choice for telecommunications infrastructure in a wide range of applications, from small offices to large-scale data centers. Next, we have USB connectors. USB connectors come in many different form factors. And since most of these should be recognizable, I will only cover some of the most common form factors. First, there's the USB Type A connector, which has a rectangular shape and is commonly found in computers and laptops. It's used for connecting peripherals like keyboards, mice, printers, and external storage devices. Next is the mini USB connector, which is smaller and is often used in portable devices such as older digital cameras and smartphones due to its compact design. Then, there's the micro USB connector, which is even smaller and has become very common in mobile devices like smartphones and tablets. Finally, the USB Type-C, or just USB-C connector, has emerged as the latest standard. This USB-C connector is reversible or non-keyed, meaning you can insert a USB Type-C connector into its port with either side facing up. It also boasts higher data transfer speeds, increased power delivery, and supports various protocols. Heck, this connector is so awesome, even the Thunderbolt standard is using it. The Lightning connector, developed by Apple, is exclusively used in devices such as Apple iPhones, iPads, and iPods. Similar to the USB-C connector, the Lightning connector features a reversible or non-keyed design. Again, this means you can insert the connector into its port with either side facing up. The Lightning cable and connector offers fast data transfer speeds and supports various functionalities including charging, data transfer, and audio output. The Lightning connector has become a standard feature in Apple's product lineup since its introduction in 2012, offering a compact and durable upgrade to Apple's outdated 30-pin connector. The DB9 connector, also known as a D-subminiature 9-pin connector, is a common interface used for serial communication in computer systems and peripherals. Named for its 9-pin configuration, the DB9 connector is characterized by its D-shaped metal shell and screw-locking mechanism, which ensures a secure connection. It is often found on devices such as computer serial ports, modems, printers, barcode scanners, point-of-sale systems, and industrial equipment for transmitting data over serial communication protocols. Despite being larger and less common in modern computing, the DB9 connector remains relevant in specific industries and applications where serial communication is still widely used. For one last connector, we have a power connector called a Molex connector. The Molex connector offers a robust solution for transferring electrical power within electronic devices and systems. Characterized by its versatile design and secure locking mechanism, the Molex connector ensures reliable power distribution in various applications, ranging from computers and servers to industrial machinery. With its standardized 4-pin configuration and compact form factor, the Molex connector facilitates easy installation and maintenance, making it a preferred choice for computing components worldwide. Whether delivering power to hard drives, fans, or other components, the Molex connector plays a crucial role in powering the modern technological landscape. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.